actually in the international community, in the international world, about actually accepting and understanding that youth aren't the problem. Youth are actually organizing solutions, actually at the forefront of the social norms changes that we need to have in order to build progress, and we need to harness that. That norms change has led to us having standing room only in a meeting like this. So, in that work, I'm not an expert or have a lot of knowledge on the movement of religious freedom and of work, but I can imagine a moment like that in Amman, with youth leaders actually setting the agenda, speaking actually out about what they envision for the next generation of freedom, vision for society, and actually organizing themselves. I can imagine that. Along our way, and just to say there are a couple of things within that I've understood from my colleagues. Firstly, this generation of young people is the largest generation in human history. 40% of those people living in conflict areas around the world who are suffering from intensive violence and repression are youth. In the category of 18 to 25, it's a huge cohort of people. That's a lot of potential power and an excellent influence. And yet, 85% of youth around the world identify in some form or another as religious.